Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to sell untradeable players in FIFA Mobile. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily sell not trading players in FIFA Mobile. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not root to device, and also this works in every country. So it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family so that anytime I upload a new video, you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started.
You are so heartless and you don't care, and I don't even know what I've been fighting for. You got me hoping and you don't care, and I don't even know what I've been fighting for. Every time I fall in the deep and I can't fight it, I can't fight it. You wreck my mind, I'm losing my sleep, and you know that it's all that I need. So don't leave me alone.
Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video,